I wanted to make a short video on how to change the friction wheel or friction disc on a 1974 Ariens 6 horsepower 24-inch cut. The number's a little hard to read, so the model number is 910019, serial number 010393. You have a bar on top here that your mechanism slides on. There's a cotter pin right in there that has to be pulled. Pull that pin, this bar pulls out to your left. Just pull it out of there. Once you've done that, this 2 bolts over here, take them out. This cotter pin up here, take that out. Then you can just set this over to the side. That just comes out of there. Your chain, somewhere in the side of that chain there's a tin clip that holds the master link. It just pushes out real easy, so just roll that around till you find that tin clip, pull that clip off, take your master link out and pull that chain out of there. You can try to lay that chain back in there and leave it there, but I just pulled it out. Once you've got that done, this whole mechanism just pivots on this bar on the bottom and just flips out towards you. It lays out here. Once you pull that out, put a pair of vice grips on this bar, this square, and take that big nut off. Once you got that nut off, that gear just pulls off of there. You'll have to take these 4 little nuts off for that bearing holder, 4 of them, 2 front and 2 in the back, and then you can slide take your bolts out of your friction disc and you can slide that bar sideways and just take it off. So it's really quite simple. It's just it takes a little bit of time. So cotter key up here, out of that, slide that bar out, link out of your chain, 2 bolts, nut, pin, take that out, flop the whole thing out towards you, take that nut off, these 4 little nuts here off, and then you can just unhook your bolts and slide your wheel off. Quite simple. Anyway, I hope this helps. If it does, subscribe. Thank you.